Hello guys and welcome to a new Albert Drives episode. Today we are in Clark International Raceway and we're gonna drive these things. This is a Radical SR1. It is powered by a 1.3 liter 4-cylinder engine from the legendary Hayabusa Superbike. The engine has been slightly tweaked to better suit the characteristics of the Radical SR1 and it produces 182 brake horsepower at the flywheel. Given that the car only weighs 490 kilograms, that translates to an astonishing power-to-weight ratio of 371 horsepower per ton. To put that into perspective, the GT3 RS is at 358 brake horsepower per ton, and the Nismo GT-R R35 is at 347 brake horsepower per ton. This means that the Radical SR1 can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 3.5 seconds with a top speed of 222 km per hour. This car can also produce 1.9 Gs of lateral force. So imagine gravity that's pulling you down, now multiply its strength by 2, and that force is now tugging you to the side when you corner. So what I just did right now is just practically read the brochure to you guys. Luckily today, I'll get to show you guys what that looks and sounds like on the racetrack. I'm actually here for work. I'm one of the drivers to drive people around in the Radical SR1. So it goes without saying that I'm gonna go prioritize work first before the vlog. So I actually don't know how this vlog is gonna go. But before I can have a go at it, the Don Pastor will have to take me around for some orientation laps, you know, to teach me how to operate the sequential transmission, what the safe operating temperatures are, and other things I need to look out for when I'm driving the car. Sadly, my GoPro mount is interfering with this bar, and I didn't have time to relocate the camera, so I won't have footage of the orientation laps. So we'll just go ahead and skip to my initial driving of the Radical SR1. Let's go! Here, hold my phone. Thank you. Yeah?
Hot before you go, oil temperature 50.
Oh yeah, there's a blue light, right? Yeah, okay. Alright guys, so we are strapping in the Radical. The GoPro is semi-hitting the thing. Yeah, I'll do it for this lap at least. Whoa. Alright, so I'm actually concentrating really hard right now. Clutch in. Alright, we are driving a Radical. And if you guys saw a while ago, I had to take off my GoPro because it actually wouldn't fit inside the cockpit. That's how tight it is in here. Right now the pedals are a bit far. Maybe I'll just have them adjust that later. But wow man, on that test drive with Don, nothing compares to these things. Like when you say that your road car needs bucket seats, dude, you don't need bucket seats. On this car, you need bucket seats. You cannot physically prop yourself up, and if you do try to prop yourself up manually, you're gonna be too tired, man. I forgot my gloves. Get the gloves on. Okay, the mirrors are good. It's for short people, yeah. So this car has a motorcycle engine, a Hayabusa to be specific, and it does have a slipper clutch.
Wait, I had to check.
Okay.
Safety. Thank you. Go.
Good. Okay. Thank you. Again, there's some sort of slipper clutch. I actually don't need to clutch in when I stop in first. It's pretty cool. Okay, the water and the oil is still pretty cold, so let's not rev it up so much. Steering is very good, very direct. Well, what do you expect? It's a freaking light car. Wait lang, Enrique. The car is a bit cold pa. Okay, the engine is cold. Can't actually do anything. Damn, this thing doesn't want to warm up. There's too much air. Right, so the engine's too cold, so we can't actually go yet. Oh, come on, warm up, baby. Warm up, baby. we go. The lights off. And go for it. Alright, here we go. Hayabusa, baby! Right, so back to the run the tires a bit again. Brakes on. There's lift off oversteer. It's pretty cool. Wow, I can't actually do any commentary. This car is commanding all of my concentration. Lift up oversteer is real and it's very useful. But in fairness, other than how fast it's going, it's not that hard to drive. It's just that everything's happening so fast, you gotta concentrate. But I don't feel like the car wants to get away from under me at any time. Brakes are good. So this is a proper race car. This will really test your skill as a driver. And I can see how it can be beginner friendly. Because the car itself is pretty tame. But all the G-forces and the speed and everything, it's all kind of overwhelming the senses. Like this is a proper race car. Wow, those brakes. The handling's so neutral. It's nice. Under trail braking and lift off, there's oversteer. But mid corner, even if you floor it, the tail won't get away from you. So you can really be confident in just pegging it. Just like that. There we go, some oversteer. Nice. Love it, love it. Third gear going in here. But if Enrique's going for another one. And okay. Oh, we're going. Alright. Let's go. Venezuela. This last corner of Clark is actually very scary, but in this car, it just feels so planted. And I guess that's thanks to the aerodynamics. Wow, this is a joy. This is a joy. Here, lift up oversteer. Power. Brakes you can just lean on and trust. Oversteer here to point, then throttle. Easy there. Okay. Oh, we're going one more. Okay. Son. Cool down. Nope, not cool down. Wow. Right, so how I would describe this experience is the car is very well sorted out, but all you need to worry about is your driving. Like, do you have the right line? Are you doing correct things? So really, as a tool to help you learn as a driver, wow, it's like you're just playing a video game. Well, obviously not, but like, what I mean is, in a video game is that you just keep on driving the car and everything's just consistent. Unlike when you drive other road cars and all that, you know, when the tires get warm, your brakes overheat, the oil and the water gets too high, etc, etc. But here, it's all just dandy. Wow, it's pretty cool. This is amazing. This is amazing. So this might be my only onboard because I'm gonna go focus now on the actual driving. So I'm gonna remove the GoPro because it's actually hitting the seat. Oh, that was good. Yeah.
Did you see your lap time? What was it?
2:04 something.
Yeah. It's about right. So you got it right.
Okay.
Okay. You're right up there. We're doing 1:59.
Oh damn. Yeah, we're getting serious now. So this is a summary of my experience once I was able to step back and really ponder about it. These are such amazing cars to learn on. The handling is confidence-inspiring, predictable, and consistent. The cars are so well sorted out that there are minimal to no distractions at all. You can focus all of your energy and concentration into exploring just the driving theory alone. There is no worry that the car will just unreasonably slip out of your control. These cars will reward your deliberate, correct actions, while all of your mistakes and lapses will clearly be seen on the stopwatch. You can't blame the car for being slow. I, as a person, was definitely the limiting factor of the car today. There was a lot of times that it was literally moving quicker than I can think or react. My theory, reaction times, and physical fitness definitely needs more improvement. And yes, I said physical fitness. Consistently being bombarded by almost 2G of force will wear one's concentration down one lap after another. Not to mention, the downforce does make the steering wheel heavier the faster you go. And yeah, it's no big deal when you're just doing one lap, but as you're doing lap after lap as the day goes on, it does pile up. So in conclusion, what Radical Cars Philippines say is true. Great drivers are made, not born. And the Radical SR1 does feel like a cheat code in order to get to your goals quicker. Nothing really does compare. Thank you guys for joining me on this exciting Albert Drives episode. If you guys want to see more frequent updates on what I do, you can go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at BertoVenturesPH. For more information about these radicals, please feel free to follow Radical Cars Philippines on Facebook. And if you like that video, please like and subscribe. Go check out our other videos too. This is Albert from Albert Drives Berto Ventures. I will see you guys in the next video.